How to hide members in Telegram group. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Play Store application and then search for Telegram application to check for the latest updates in the device or in the app. So just go for Telegram, and as you can see there are no updates available, so I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me directly to the home page of Telegram application. So here I'm choosing a group where you can see there are 2 members over here. So I'm just gonna tap on 3 dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. So as you can see, there is no direct option of hiding the members, rather there is only one way of hiding the person from the group chat, that's to remove them. There is no option provided by the app to hide the members. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.